warm welcome appeal is to encourage people to come to the gallery, to Oriel Davies, and to join us in using our warm spaces, taking advantage of the fact that the spaces are warm. And we've also developed this program of wellbeing activities, which are really, they're free, and they include things like musicians playing in the gallery and mindfulness sessions, movement sessions. There's loads of different things that are going on, and they're all free, and you can find out the details on our website and on our social media. So there are all these really nice things for people to do and to keep them warm and healthy and safe this winter. And obviously our gallery it's a nice warm space. The cafe space is available for people to just come in and sit and spend time there. You know, it saves you on fuel bills at home. It means that you can use our Wi-Fi, so you can do work from the gallery. All of this is absolutely free, and we have been welcoming people in that way for a long time. But this winter, obviously, with our increased programme and with the increased costs associated with cost of living crisis, we are looking for more support as we move forward. So please give what you can to the appeal. Every pound that you donate is match funded by the Co-op through their Warm Spaces boost, which is fantastic. So we're really pleased. Thank you so much to the Co-op UK for their support with that. And you get to see this amazing exhibition, which is completely free. We have a loan of a painting by Verrocchio from the National Gallery in London. We have contemporary artists responding to it. So there's Jackie Poncelet, there's Beverly Bell Hughes, there's Claire Canine, there's Adam Buick, Philip Eglin, Cecile Johnson-Solis, Christine Mills, Derry Tennant Lloyd. And we've also got some loans from the National Museum of Wales and Gaeaf Cymru. We've got Sydney Kerner-Vosper and a print after Claude Lorraine and a print by Rembrandt, all of which, you know, it relates to the loan that we have from the National Gallery, which is Tobias and the Angel. So please give what you can, and we look forward to welcoming you to the gallery really soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.